if you look here, right under the download, you have the summary, the files, the reviews, and those tabs.
Yeah.
What you want to do is click on files here, and then you're going to get these three options here. What I'm going to go with is going to be the latest version of Avogadro, which was made in December 2nd, 2016.
Okay.
So I'm going to click on Avogadro 2. And then once you click that, it opens even more files for you. But what we really want is the latest version as well. So this 1.90.0.
Okay.
And then I'm going to click that. And then you are going to have these two files, but I'm looking for an executable file. And if you see here, this one is like Windows 64, and most new computers now they use the 64-bit. So that is probably why the 32 doesn't quite work for you.
Okay.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this, and then it's going to download now. And now if you look here, it's saying that it is 64 executable. So what I will do, I will just go ahead download that. Uh, to download. Once it's downloaded, now I'm just going to go ahead and just go through the installation process.